Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, LPN the Livelihood. How y'all doing today? We hope you're doing great. In our today's video, we would like to introduce you to one another temple called the Som Temple. I will read a history of this temple to you from a website called justsimriap.com. Please enjoy it. The Som is a captivating and charming temple. It was built in the Bayon style and has been well restored. Like the Prum, there is a tree growing through part of the structure which provides excellent photo opportunities. Built as part of the waste construction program led by King Jayavarman VII, this Buddhist temple looks similar to many temples built at that time. The World Monuments Fund WMF started a 10-year restoration program in 1998 to make the structure safe for visitors. Since then, the Som has become a favorite for many visitors on the Angkor Wat Grand Circuit. The Som is located about 100 meters to the east of Jayatataka Barai. It's the furthest temple on the Grand Circuit before you start to head back to town. Nearby temples include Nipuan and Krauko. At the opposite end of the Barai is Som Temple. Most visitors will follow the grand tour heading north out of Angkor Thom. Continue following the road around Som Temple. After the Som Temple complex, continue heading east along the road adjacent to the Barai. Continue past Nipuan to the another end of the Barai and follow the road round to the right. You'll see the Som on the left-hand side about 100 meters from the road. If you are coming from the east side of Angkor Wat or directly from Siem Reap town, you should take the road to Srasrang. Once you get to Srasrang, turn right and follow the road to Prairuk and turn left. Continue heading north to the eastern Mebon and keep going north for another couple of kilometers. You'll see the Jayatataka Barai on the left side, and after around 200 meters, you'll see the Som on the right side. The Som is featured on the Grand Circuit Tour and is actually visited after Nipuan and before Prairuk. It's one of the more popular temples on the tourist trail and does attract quite a few tourists. However, it doesn't get anywhere near as many visitors as the more popular temples such as Angkor Wat, Bayon, and Taprom. You will find a few hotels sharing the same name as the Som, but none are nearby the temple. There are no hotels allowed in the Angkor Park. As the Som is on the edge of the park, you may find some small homestays in the villages around Bonte Srei. Most visitors will find a hotel in Siem Reap town, where there are 100 to choose from. As the Som is on the main road, it's easy to reach from the town. You should try to visit the Som because it's been wonderfully restored and nearly every part of the temple is opened to visitors. You can see some great examples of ancient Khmer art from the Buddhist period of King Jayavarman VII. There is also a tree growing through the east entrance building which makes for some great photos. The Som was built towards the end of the 12th century as part of the great building program by King Jayavarman VII. It is a Buddhist temple built in the Bayon style and dedicated to Jayavarman's father, Dharanendravarman II. Like most of the temples, it's likely that the Som was deserted at some point in the 16th century. Little had been done to restore the Som until the later part of the 12th century. The World Monument Fund (WMF) started work on conserving the temple in 1998. During this time, they worked on making the 4 entrances accessible to the public. These outer entrance buildings are considered to be some of the best examples of towers showing Avaloko Tikesvara. In 2007, the WMF repaired many sandstone blocks and completed their restoration work. The Som features a single tower in the middle of the complex surrounded by 3 enclosing walls. The entry points of the east and west have 4 carved faces, one looking into each cardinal direction. As you go through the main entry tower, you will see that was once the main causeway flanked by serpents, although every little is left today. As you walk through the second entry tower, you will come to the inner enclosure. From here, you will see the main tower directly in front of you. This inner enclosure was made from laterite and features sandstone galleries. There are sandstone laying around. As you reach the center sanctuary, you can either walk around the courtyard or directly through the middle to reach to the other side. You can walk right through to the east side where you will see a large tree with roots growing through the east entrance building. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Please take care and stay safe. Bye bye.